The latest idea from Google is anti-gravity. So many YouTuber or many location, many blog posts, they mention this is unlimited, but it's not true. It's limited. I am showing you the proof. Today I made couple of video using this software or this ID. From morning till now I used like couple of hours, like 2-3 hours, and in between the uses I found this thing right now. Here it is mentioning the model has the limit, right? But many people, they are telling that there is unlimited, this is unlimited. So this is a lie. You can check this thing. You have reached the quote limit for Gemini 3 Pro low and high both. If I try to switch the high, it has the same issue, same problem. So remember, this is not free. It has some limitation, and the quote is always limited. Many YouTuber or many people, they are demanding that it's unlimited. It's not true. So when you use this thing, remember that it has limitation. It's not unlimited.